So guys, don't watch the numbers because I literally put them together. Alright, so it says, which statement below, if placed in the box, will make the equation accurate? So since it's an equation, everyone should be able to do it. Notice it's a statement. This normally come at like from 30 go up, where I have more than one option for the answer. So look and tell me which statements below it placed in the box will make the equation. You guys could WhatsApp it to me. Alright. Oh, for the yeah, man, it's 5 and 6 can be I would segregate for not necessary, but definitely 5 and 6. But I will have for grade 5, you know, because a lot of grade 5 parents asking me if I will have. I will definitely have for grade 5, but it won't harm them to do it early if you guys want. That's not a problem. It will be beneficial for grade 5. But I will have for grade 5. Same thing, it's the same thing. Alright. As we are about to begin. Oh, come on, you don't have to die. You don't have to die. Because I will have the grade 4 one specifically, but this is beneficial 5 and 6. You know, 5 and 6 topics are basically the same. Alright. Yeah. You guys WhatsApp me the answer already, right?
Yes.
Alright, thanks. I'm seeing a lot of different answers. Whoa. Remember, guys, it's more than one option, right? So it's not a single option per se. It's more than one. Alright, so some person gave me 3.
Sir, when it's time for you to discuss the answers, sir, can I explain why I got my 2 answers?
Yeah, man, we're actually gonna go now. Thanks, guys. So we're not gonna do it like regular class where we say X is correct, this is correct. We're just gonna look at it and assess it. Alright, so go ahead if you want to explain, because I'm about to. Welcome, guys. Welcome again.
Hold on. So, my answers are 4 are A and C. Reason being for that is because the numbers that you add or multiply or subtract, they have to equal to 650. So I tried all of the numbers. So 418 plus 232 would give you 650, and 420 plus 230 would also give you 650.
I agree, sir.
All right, let's add it up then.
I agree.
Anybody? Some persons got a different answer. Some persons got different options. Somebody included D, so we need to check D to see, because somebody included D as theirs. All right, so 8 plus 2, that would be 10. That would be 5. Yeah, so that one here check out. This is correct, 650. This one now, 0, 5, 6. That one is also correct. But let us check for 26 times 25 and see if we got that. Oh, 26. Alright, so 6, 5, 30. 3 carries 0. 6 2s 12 and that 15. So that's 150, right? But we know what to do. We're supposed to add a 0 and then 2 5 10. So that's 1 carry 0, 2 2s 4 and 1 5. Get that person correct, you know, guys.
Yeah, three of the options are correct, but the second one
Should we
isn't
say
correct.
2?
Sir, it can be any two of the
That means you could
answers.
pick any 2, right?
Yes, sir, except for
Yes.
B. If you pick B, B is
Yeah,
incorrect.
this wouldn't work out. Let's check it out. I don't see anybody gave me that. That's why I know that didn't work out, right? This work out to 500,
So
right?
that
Because we
answer
could
would
just,
equal to 500.
yeah, because we could split it 2 by 10. You guys know that little style there? Like 20, you could split it as 2 times 10. If you multiply by 10, you get 250 and you just double it. So it's actually 500. Now, if you know them little style here, guys. So any one of these combination could work. A and C, or A and D, or C and D. Alright, good job, good job. So they normally start it off nice and easy. Alright, this one says, you roll a dice, what is the probability that you will roll an odd number? Which two ratios could be used appropriately to represent this relationship?
C.
These questions.
I notice he said 2, right?
I hate these questions.
Alright. This one, guys, I think I probably will explain this one to you guys, since we have not done probability as yet. Probability is the likelihood of something happening, right? So it don't necessarily must happen, you know. But think about a die. How many numbers are on a die?
6.
6.
6, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how probability work, guys? It's the likelihood of something happening. So you see the total number of numbers, that's your denominator. So in this case, your denominator would be 6. Alright, you see the probability of what you're looking for, you put that total now. So let me ask you, how many odd numbers are on the die?
3.
3.
Name them.
3.
1, 3, and
1,
4,
3, and 5.
And 5.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, so it would be 3 out of 6. So the probability of throwing an odd number would be 3 out of 6. Or,
Yeah. 4.
or a half.
or a half. So your task now is to look and see which of these ratio is equivalent to a half.
D.
A and D.
A and D. Very good.
Sir, and D.
Yeah, because 14, if you divide 14 and 28 and you break it down to its lowest term, you would also get 1 to 2. Alright?
Don't
And
you explain the 13?
everybody kind of clear on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's actually 2 options.
Mhm.
I like the one with the 2 options because I think it makes you think deeper. Alright, 16 says, which two values below will make the inequality false? So it says 3x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 50. Remember, you know, false the one. So look at it carefully. And guys, please read the heading. Just like with the mental ability, we have to read the heading very carefully. How do you guys approach this? If you get this in exam.
So I'm just trying to figure out what 3x plus 5 means. No, sir, I would
3
use the
times the
option.
number plus 5.
Alright, somebody said they will use the option. What you would use the option and do?
I would say that X is that option and work it out to see if it's greater than 50.
Alright, that is it, guys. So even though it says greater than or
So
equal
to
to
be
50,
double sign, 3 multiplied by what equals
Jeez.
plus
greater than or
5.
equal to 50. Alright, so let us do it. We can
I
do
get
that
it now.
method, right? So it will be 3 times 25 plus 5. Would that be greater than 50? Or greater than or equal to 50? 3 times 25.
75.
75. Alright.
So it's
75
8.
plus
80.
5. Alright. Is 80 greater than 50?
80
Yes,
is greater
sir.
than.
Yeah.
So that means you cannot pick 25 then.
Yeah. That means this is true. But remember what we're looking for. The false one, right? So let's
Already did. Sure.
yeah man, go ahead.
So I was going to say for my answer, but you were going to finish it, so I should never find.
Yeah man, but you can say your answer still, but we're still gonna go through it because I want everyone to get full understanding. But you can still share it.
So Sarah said that my answer would be B. B is one of them because if you multiply by that you get.
Yes, sir, and P
And
as well.
D. And D as well.
Yeah. Most likely the two smallest number. But we're still gonna work them so everybody kinda get an idea. Right? So it's 3 times 14. So remember, I know we're checking. Plus 5. And we're gonna see if it's greater than or equal to. Notice the line under it, guys. It means equal to. Alright? So 3 times 14. That's 42. Plus the 5. Yeah. So you're correct.
Sir, for
So this would be 47, right? 47 is not greater than
Plus
50. But this is saying it is greater than, but it's not. So we know, so once we get 14, that means it's impossible for 12 to be greater, right? Once we get 14 to be less. But let us still do it. So it will be 3 multiplied by 12. And then we add 5 to the result. And that's
sir,
greater
the answer
than or
is
equal.
It's like 41.
41, alright. So this is 30 plus 5. Yeah. So that works out to 41. 41 is less than, right? But they are saying that it's greater than. That means it's a lie.
True.
Alright. So you guys already picked the correct answer. It would have been 14 and 12. Let's try 16 same way. As with
so
some
if
person.
you try 16 is going to be 48 plus 5.
Oh, alright. So 16 plus 5.
That'll be 51.
Alright. And 51 is greater than 50, right? So as I said, 48. What kind of 51, man? It's greater than 51. It's 53.
Yeah, 53 or 55.
Yeah, yeah. Alright. But 53 is greater than 50. So this is true. This statement is true. Alright. We soon look at probability though. That's one of the things that I left for last. It's a very nice topic. It's just the likelihood of something happening. Very nice topic. Alright, let's look at this one now. It says, we did set, so many persons were not a part of my class when we were doing set. We did set from last year, guys, when we were doing statistics. Alright, the set below shows which students like watching anime, like Naruto, versus which prefer watching cartoons like SpongeBob. One day I should do that in class and see how many persons prefer that. Alright, so they give you anime and the cartoons and they give you the numbers. Let's see what the question says. how many students prefer anime only?
53.
53.
Yeah. So guys,
53.
for
Those
those
who
who are
said
not a
only.
part of the class, only would come here, right?
So sir, is you saying like if it doesn't have only you have to add 53 by 31?
Well, if they say how many persons prefer anime
No.
in total,
Can I
yes.
explain it, please?
You want to explain it?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
When it says alone, it doesn't mean if they watch cartoons and if they like cartoons more or anime. It means they if they like anime alone. So it doesn't mean that they like both.
Everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
only mean you see these 53 persons that don't like cartoons, only anime. You see this 31. What does this 31 represent? I'm not
Sir,
sure.
that
Both
Oh,
of them.
Yeah,
sure, both of them like anime and cartoons.
yeah. These persons like both anime and cartoon.
Sir, and
What about 50?
sure,
means they
the
doesn't like
51
any.
that is only
Cartoon. That's for
anime.
cartoon.
Yes, sir, that one.
You're a scratchy note. Go ahead again. The person that was saying you were making a
The
point, but
first, the first that only watch cartoon.
yeah, the 52 only cartoon they like. What about this
Yes,
51?
sir. The
People
51
who
means that
don't like
they
none of
don't
them.
like
People who don't like none of them.
any of
Yeah,
Nobody don't like the anime nor the cartoon.
yeah. So these are the neither person. They neither like anime nor cartoon. I'm not sure what they like, probably sports. Alright. So in for the answer, how many students prefer anime only? It should have been
53.
53. Wonder if there's more question on that same thing. Oh Lord, I shouldn't discuss it, you know, 'cause I guess what? The more question, the panic. Is it how many students prefer to watch cartoons and
Sir,
anime?
34.
Discuss it already.
34.
3
Sir,
plus 30 equal
Yeah.
84,
it's
sir.
blurry, sir.
So this
31.
yeah, so this would have been 31, right? These prefer like both anime and cartoon. So these are the both.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah man, go ahead.
Excuse me, sir. So say my answer is 84 because basically we just add the 53 plus 31. The answer is 84.
You know, I think they want who like both, you know. You see the and they don't want
Yes, sir. I was saying the same thing. I think it would be 31.
yeah, it's 31 and not 84. Alright?
Oh, sir, since you didn't say which one of them, like cartoons and also like
You see,
anime.
if it was R,
Excuse me, sir.
if it was R, then you could have add, but it's a and. That means you like both of them together. Yeah, man, go ahead, Lakoy.
Probably mixed it up with the anime total.
Yeah. If it's a total, then we'd consider all of this.
I said anime and cartoon.
Yeah. So it's and. When it's and, that means you like both of them together, not or. Alright. So all of these, they love anime. But these persons specifically, this is the intersection. These are both. They like both anime and cartoon. So it's actually 31. I'm actually glad we somebody said 84. So we can talk about that. Alright. This one says, what is the total number of students in the class? So I'm gonna go back up and we can discuss that.
Sir, can I say the answer?
I know the answer.
I
Alright.
need to get a pencil and a book.
Yeah man, go ahead. Check it.
Wait, sir, can I say
Don't
it? I
call
think I
it
know
out
what it
yet.
is.
Make everyone tell us first and then we let's WhatsApp it first. just want to see what persons are thinking, and then can something. Wait,
Wait, sir, what does C say?
but you say you got it.
Yes, sir, I think I got C, but sir, what did it say?
It says 136.
Okay. So the students that like anime, I added the 53 students to the students who like cartoons to 52, and then I added all of them up to and I add them to 31. So I got 136. But sir, I saw the number at the side and I never knew what that was for.
It
I
means
never
that they
thought it.
don't like any one of them.
Okay, so 52, 53, and 31.
Yes, sir. I
Alright.
never knew this. I never knew what the students had. I don't know what the number in the corner of the box was doing there. I don't know what it was for.
It
Okay.
just
Changing my
means that they
answer.
doesn't like anime
Alright.
or cartoon.
Somebody who got A want to explain?
Sir, I got A.
Sir, I got
Explain.
A.
Oh, you got A.
I got A.
Sir, I got A. Reason being, I added anime and cartoons. Then I added the one in the middle since they also like both of them. And I also add the one outside, which means he even doesn't like any one of them, but it still means that they're in the classroom.
Alright. Somebody who got C? Oh, what did
No,
it?
sir, B. B, sir, not C. You are B, C.
No, man. Not this
I
one.
changed my
Yeah,
answer.
yeah. Who got B? Somebody got B? Oh, you got B. Somebody got B? Alright. So the question says, how many students in total was in the class, basically, right? Alright, so we have to add all of these numbers, guys, because remember, these are the persons who love anime, cartoon, etc., and anime and cartoon. So we have to add these. These persons, they don't like anime, you know, but they are still in the class. So we have to add them also. So it would have been 187 for it. Alright? These persons, even though they don't like anime or cartoon, but guess what? They are part of the class. So once they are part of the class, then we have to include them.
Oh,
Alright?
and sir, they're still also in the survey, so that means they're still a part of what
Yeah.
was
In the what's the
done.
word? What's the word? They are part of the
Survey.
no, use the Venn diagram, sir. It ends
Right,
with
I don't remember.
guys,
Or
we
the
this
intersection.
Intersection.
let me give you a clue. Start with you.
Repeat what you said. Union.
Sir,
No, it ends with L.
Sir, the universal.
universal?
Yes, it's
Universal.
a part of the
Well,
universal set.
interesting.
Come on, guys. We have to go review that before exam. You guys were
Oh, I
smashing up
didn't
those.
see the set.
Yeah,
Sir, I thought you meant union, so I said union first.
yeah, it's the universal set. So it's actually E. Alright. I don't know how these numbers would have been a part of it. I guess if you added like the intersection twice, you probably get one of
Sir,
these. But these were a bit
maybe
far.
he just wanted you to add it wrong, and when he saw the answer, he thought it was correct, so they put that
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Alright.
That's rude.
That's how it is now, guys. They do it so if you make a little mistake, you will see the options there, but it's still incorrect even though you see the options.
Oh,
Alright, so guys, this is one of the things that I expect persons to be strong on because we have done so many measurements stuff. But as I say, it's been a while since we look at it. So this one says, what is the perimeter of the shape above? So I want you guys to work out the perimeter and send it to me. Alright? And then we can discuss. Yeah. Most persons chose 56, so let us see that. Some persons chose 57, some 54. No child chose 55. So let's see. Alright, so one thing we know, guys, perimeter means the total distance around the entire shape. Alright? Now guys, if they don't give you the measurement for every side, it's your job to figure it out. Alright? So we start from here. So they gave us this, that is 12. They gave us this, that is 6. Alright. They didn't give us this piece here. But, as Lakai was saying, if all of this is 12, right, you can break it into pieces like this, you know, guys. All of this is 12, right? But this little piece right here is 5. So what would these two add up to? This portion plus this portion in order to give you 12.
Sir, the add them up to get 7.
7,
Then add
right?
on to 7.
Yeah. So it's
Because
7.
7 plus 5 is 12.
Yeah. So all we have to do now, just split it in 2, and we can say this would be 3.5.
Sir, you have to be 3.5?
Not necessary, but both of them must add up to 7.
Yeah, because 7 doesn't have a half.
Yeah.
So just that I couldn't bear for divide to a half, so I
Hopefully,
just
because
said
of
3
that's
plus
a
And then this would be 10. Because this side is opposite to the 10 right here. So then now we can add, because guess what? We need this portion here also. What would be the measurement for this?
6.
Yeah. Oh, you know.
Because the opposite side says 6.
Yeah. So guys, these are little things that you have to do to help
another
yourself, right? Opposite sides are equal. So you see how many you have to put in for yourself? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how they are. All right, we're going to start count from this side. So we have 12 plus 6, that's 18.
10 plus the other 6, please.
I'm going to ignore that 3.5 here first. 10 plus 5, 15, plus this 10, that will give you 25, plus the 6, 31. And then I'm going to just add 7 for the 2, 3.5. Instead of writing something else. So let us see if it's really 56 or 57. 8 and 1.
9.
9.
9 plus 7.
16.
16.
Alright, so I think 56. Based on the fact that I see so many person gave me 56, I kind of say, yeah, you know, that should be the answer. Because a lot of students getting it.
So maybe added one of them by mistake.
I'm not sure how person got 57. Could be an error. But it actually be 56.
So maybe they didn't count properly and got that.
Was it my
Yeah. But guys, you have to ensure that we add correctly, right? Especially with the perimeter, because the answer is gonna be very close. So take your time and do it. Alright. And I think it's definitely gonna be coming. It's a what is the area of the above shape? So guys,
Yes,
you're
sir.
gonna
That's
work
what
out.
I was about to ask you.
I think measurement is gonna be a lot on this paper. The fact that they did not bring it on the performance task, we just have an idea and say, you know, say them go switch it up and bring a lot of measurement on the curriculum base. That's what I'm thinking. I could be wrong, though, you know, but that's what I'm thinking. They could switch it up because I think they want to know that you know measurement. So guys, work out the area now for the same shape. We found the perimeter to be 56. Work out the area and WhatsApp me, and then we can discuss. I think we're gonna need a little time on this. All right.
Okay,
So find the
just
area.
to find the area, well, you have to put in back the numbers that were already there. So the opposite side from 6 is 6, and the next one is 3.5 and 3.5 and 10. Well, now, so you're going to find the area of a irregular shape. That means you have to cut the shape into 2 regular shapes to find the area of each one of them, then you add them. So you're going to cut the first shape into a rectangle and the other one into a rectangle, but you're going to find the area of the first one.
Where should I draw it across like this?
No, sir, like go down in the middle where it types. Okay, so now you're going to find the area of that first shape, which is A, and the next one is B. So to find the area of figure A is going to be area equal 12 multiplied by 6, since the opposite side will be 12 and the next side would be 6. You just say 12 multiplied by 6 is 72 centimeters squared.
Okay, I think I was gonna let it off now because I was about to cry. Alright, go ahead.
And for the next one is going to be 10 multiplied by 5, and that is 50 centimeters squared.
Excuse me, sir. I did that same method, but I also checked over with another method. Can I explain that method, please?
Yeah, man. So let us let her finish then. So you say add the 70 and the 50? 72 and the 50?
And 50. Yes, sir. When you add them, you'll get that's the total area for the whole entire shape.
So that's how I said he did it at both more than one way to make sure.
Yeah,
So that's how I'm gonna clear hers and then you share with us how you got for yours. Right, Laka, your time now. Share the different method that you use.
Okay, sir. So I like, since this is not like a full rectangle, I drew lines to make it as if it was like a enclosed rectangle. So the new side for the top side, with the one with the 6 centimeter would be 16, and the other side with the 5 centimeter would be 12.
You basically draw it into a big rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, so let me just draw it so students can follow. See that, guys? And draw body, you know.
So remember that one time in one of your videos when you drew the ugliest car.
Lie detected there, lie.
It's no cap, sir. It looked like a turtle shell on 2 cards.
So true. So
It
true.
was a disgrace. That was a disgrace.
Guys, it's hard to draw on the computer, man, because them to put something so easy, but it's hard, trust me.
Sir, but you know you have shapes on the computer that you can use to draw better.
Yeah, but it no built, when we use it, no built in for that.
So you can just autocorrect it and you'll go to the shape like you want it to be.
Alright, I will do that next time, guys, I
Sir,
promise.
the front of the car is shaped bottom.
It was very much so.
Alright, guys, next time, I'm gonna draw it perfect. I'm
Sir,
not good at drawing though. That's not my strong point.
drive faster.
So it's like 2 steps to draw a
Sir,
car.
we will be the judge of that.
Alright. Alright, Lakai, what's the next step? So you said this was what, 16?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you got the 16.
Because the side at the bottom is 10 centimeters, and if you are going to move it up forward, it would be 16, because 10 plus 6 is 16.
Okay.
And you already know that over here is 12.
Yeah, that was given.
So then you find the area of the entire shape, then subtract it from the other shapes. So 16 times 12 is 192.
I will just subtract it.
Alright, what's next?
And then I subtract 70 from it. Reason being is because, remember where the blank space is beside the 10 centimeters, it would be 10 times 3.5, which would be 37 for each of them. Then you add those up and it would be 70 subtract 192.
Alright. So guys, let me just explain that part here. You see this part, this is the form, right? It's a blank space. So just imagine it's a big rectangle. These are not including the area that we want to find. So that's why he's saying you find the area for the entire thing and then you subtract out these space because the remainder must be the area. And because this is 3.5, we just multiply 3.5 times 10, which would give us 35. But guess what? There's an identical one up there. So that's why he said 70. So I don't want persons to be lost. Why he said 70. He add the 35 and the 35 because this would ask.
Sir, or you could just times the 35 by 2.
Yeah, our
Yeah, that
time.
would be easier.
Yeah. So when time you do know, you just take out the 70 out of this and you still get the 120. It's correct.
Sir, I would recommend everybody to just like cut it in two rectangles because it's way more easier and efficient.
Yeah, I think both of them efficient because I do that sometimes. Sometimes I turn the whole shape into that.
I know I learned that on one.
Yeah, it depends on how it stay though. So that's why we have to practice, guys, and don't limit ourselves to just class or on
So
YouTube.
depending on the shape, you can do it, but
Yeah,
sometimes you have other shapes that can't do it properly. You can
yeah.
get
So
lost
this
and you
would
can't
be
do
our
it.
answer. So 122. I love that you guys did not need to see the options in order to get it. So that's a very one more this, Oh Lord. Let me see what them ask.
It's going to be an irregular shape.
Them not ask, Oh, it's a calculate the area of the shape above. So guys, this one seems like fun. Why is it so fuzzy? This one seems like fun.
3 shapes you have to
What the
make.
hell? How am I going to do that?
Yeah, man, you can do it. You can do it. You guys are smart. I'm gonna give you time, and you do it. All right, so Kalian, your time.
Okay, so what I did, I broke it down to three rectangles. The first one.
How should I draw the line? Like this?
No, sir. What
Like this?
where the spaces are? Yes, sir. Like kind of like where the spaces are.
No, you say you break it down in three. I'm just trying to identify the three rectangles. Oh, which way? Tell me if you draw a line from where to where.
Okay, from the top of 2 centimeters to the end.
Which is up here, so, right?
To the left. Yes, to the left.
To the left.
Sir, I don't really think that's what she's talking about.
No, all the rectangles still like this. Or like this.
Oh. Okay, so like the line where it says, because on the bottom where it says 2.5 centimeters, that and on the top where it says 2 centimeters, that's how long you're gonna draw the line. From where it says 2.5 centimeters on, because clean.
Wait, let me rub out everything. I'm gonna put the line at a point and you tell me go up or down or whatever. I want the others to see how you
Start from 2 centimeters.
I'm at this point. You can see where should I go from here?
Then just go across. It's like to the left.
Oh. Yeah. Alright. So I'm at this point now.
And then go down for that one.
This point?
Okay, for that one, I multiplied 2 times 2.5 centimeters.
Oh, this is how you did it. Alright, cool. I see it now. Alright, cool. Alright, so this one.
I multiplied 2 and 2.5 centimeters to get 5 centimeters square.
Alright.
And
For the next one, I multiplied 5.5 centimeters by 1.4 centimeters because I had to subtract 3.4. I had to subtract 2 from 3.4 centimeters to get 7.7 centimeters.
7.2.
And for the last one, I multiplied 3 by 1, which is 3.
Sir, that is 1.4. Supposed to be 3.4.
Hold on. Is what she telling me now? She said 1.4. Did you say 1.4 for here?
Yes, sir, it's 1.4.
Yeah, that's what she said me. But yeah, I was saying she said 3.4, but it's actually 1.4 she said.
No, it's 1.4 since you have to subtract the 2 from the 3.4.
Wait.
And then you add 3. You add 3 centimeters square, 5 centimeters square, and 7.7 centimeters square to get your answer, which will be 15.7 centimeters square.
So we add the 3 and the 5.
Yes,
I
sir.
just put the decimal point. 5 and
Yeah, that makes it easier.
Alright, so 15.7 is your option. Who else want to go?
Sure, that was mine too, and that's what I also did.
You got 15.7?
You sure?
Who do it a different way?
Sir, same. I got 15.7.
Okay.
So I guess we can just move to the
Alright,
next
let me see.
question.
I was thinking to break it up a different way. So let me see that. Hold on. I was thinking a different way. But that was cute though. Well, at this part, I would have done that the same thing here. But I think I would have gone this way. And then this would be my A, my B, and my C. So these are 3, right? This is how I would have done it. But here, so now, it should have been 3.4 times 2.5. So I'm going to record that 3.4 times 2.5. 5 4 20. 5 3 is 15 and that's 17. Put a 0. 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6. So that's 0. 5 carry 1. This is 8.5. So this works out to 8.5. My greatest challenge would be this little piece here. We need to figure out the measurement from here to here. Alright, so let me reason out this. All of this is 3.4. This is 2. So from right here, so we're going to subtract 2 from this, right? Because if from here so to here so is 2, that means this portion would be 1.4. So I would need to figure out this portion here.
Sir, that portion there is actually 5 since the other portion over the side is no, not 5. It's 3.
Here, alright, let me see if this is 3 as you're saying. So basically now,
Since the other side over there is 3.
you're saying all of this from here to here is 5.5. But they didn't give no other measurement. Oh. I would have problem with this portion, you know.
I don't really think
Oh,
so, sir.
no, it's fine, man. It's 3. That's the 2.5 here. So from here to here is 2.5. I didn't see that down there, so this would have been 3 as Kayla said. So it would have been 1.4 times 3. So 3
Sir,
4
are we having Sir, are you having classes the following Saturday and Sunday?
Yeah, 3 1 3 and that. So this would have been 4.2. So let me add these and see if I get the same answer as you guys.
Me I go great here.
Sir, that's 7.2 plus the 8 plus the 8.5. And that would
8.5 plus 7.2. So that's 15.7. You guys are correct.
Sir, can you explain again? I didn't understand.
Oh Lord. Alright, let's go again. It's kind of challenging, guys. Thinking about it, Kalian actually do an easier way. So I kind of break it up like this. But I need the measurements, right? This one, we already have the measurement for rectangle A, which is 3.4, 2.5. That was natural. This one also, this one is 3, this one is 1. This one in the middle, he was the problem. So we needed to know what measurement from here so to here so. But all of the entire line is 5.5, right? So from here to here is 5.5. But down here so it stops at 2.5. So that means if all of it is 5.5 and here so 2.5 stop, that means this measurement would have been 3, because 5.5 take away 2.5 would give you the 3. As Kayla said, she even saw it before me. Right? So this would have been 3. And then now I need the measurement from here to here. Now all of this is 3.4. This entire line. But this is where the 2 stop. 2 stop here. That means how much you need with 2 to get 3.4. That would be the 1.4 right here. Because this line should measure 3. And if this portion measures 2, it simply means that this portion would have been 1.4, because total should be 3.4. So that's why I multiply the 1.4 times 3, in which I got 4.2. And then now I need to add all 3 of them. Oh, I got the 7.2. I just kind of do a little shortcut. I add the 4.2 with the 3. But I think Kalian one is much easier thinking about it now.
Yes, sir, because you just have to just cut one point there and you already have the answer for that
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
So since you cut it
Again,
into larger pieces and the other one into the same, it's kind of harder to do.
Yeah, it's true. But you can do it whichever way makes
So
you
it's a
feel
bit
comfortable.
confusing to Cynthia already has her side on it. So
Oh, yeah. We can review in regular class.
what did that look?
I soon finish everything and then we can
finally
Why did that
free.
look like grade 9 work? I don't know.
not the grade 9 work. CC say grade
They'll just
6. Alright. So
free.
guys, let me go back up and choose the option. I didn't choose it. I don't know if I can apply it for us. It was what, 15.7?
Possibly because I get the answer already, sir.
Yeah, I know. But I still want to. Yeah, so it's B. That one is B. I probably can send out the PDF file. Never know. Alright, let's look at this one now.
Can I explain that, please?
Yeah,
Sure,
man.
mate. You can explain this one, mate. You can explain this one, please.
Alright, there are more than one option. So, let me just put the names beside. Who volunteered first? I heard of
Me.
Sir, why
Sir,
don't you let the red stuff alone?
somebody. Give me the female name first. Was it
Kayla.
Kayla?
Kayla, then Ian.
Sir, then John.
Alright, so Kijon, you will do 4. So Ian. That's a marketing guys. But more everybody do it first. Then Kijon. So me spell your name right. You.
Yeah.
There's more,
Oh, number 5 too.
Who want to volunteer for 5? No one?
Sir, I guess you do that one then.
No, man, you are the one doing the exam. You guys are mathematicians. Somebody volunteer, please. It's intersect, you know. That little curve something there is intersect.
Sir, me I grow great here.
I'll do it, sir. Can I do it, sir?
Sir,
Sir,
somebody
can I
asked
do
to do it, you know?
Sir, can I do it?
Yeah, man. Did I record when I was doing the other part there? When I was
Yes, sir.
doing
Yes,
It's
sir, we're
recording.
still
okay.
It's still
recording.
recording.
Kalyan, how you spell the name again?
KHALI-ANN.
AHALI dash big A, right?
Yes, sir.
More are there, you know, guys. This one will be the last one for today, I think. You see it? Enough right. So we fully I got understand sets today. Who else want to volunteer? It doesn't matter if I get it incorrect, you know, guys.
No, sir. Honestly, I have a big gray in my head.
No, man, you don't have no gray here. Just relax, man. You got this. You got this.
Sir, no, you have to put it for number 6,
Yeah.
not number that the sentence.
Oh, all right. So, guys, by the time we finish all of this, the day will be ending.
No, sir, I don't really think so.
20, yeah, man. I think so. By the time everybody for work it out. So, dogs, it's a set dogs equal that. I'm not sure what I mean by that.
Say dogs intersect. Oh.
All right. There's one person in the class that does not like dog or cat.
Sir, let's go back up to the Venn diagram, please.
All right. I'm gonna look at those because those questions look weird. So this is the Venn diagram, guys. I want everybody to see.
Oh, sir, I feel like I understand that. It's saying that what intersects dog.
Oh,
And it
okay.
says that 2 and 2. So you're supposed to write if it's true or if it's false.
Okay, all right. So guys, do that and then we come back. And then we say if we agree. Kayla, you're
Oh,
up first.
okay. So for the answer for number 2, even though it's supposed to be number 1, it says that how many students like cats only. And from that, you could aspire that for the cat circle, it says 10 in the circle, but there's other numbers 10, 2, and 6. But the 10 and the 2 is the intersection between all of them and also the 6. So the one that doesn't have an intersection with any other groups, it's the 10 in outside, is a 10 by itself. That is 10.
Ian, just continue.
How many students like cats and dogs? Sir, 6.
Next person.
How many students like neither birds nor dogs? Sir, 10.
Sir,
Sir,
I think you should actually like think again and maybe you know the answer.
All right, let's look at this one, guys. How many like neither bird nor dog? So we have to eliminate both of those, right?
sir.
Hmm?
So you know there was a question one, but it disappeared. It said, how many students like dogs only?
Okay, and that will be what? What's the answer for that?
9.
9.
Yeah, correct. It says, how many students like neither birds nor dogs? So if you don't like bird nor dog, what you like?
Cat.
Cat only.
Answer is 10.
Yeah, you guys said 10, Tijan?
No, sir, it said 9.
Sir, I said 10.
9 would be dogs only. So we exclude bird and dogs. So it would be this. All right, Kalyan, you're one now.
Oh. What are the dog intersection cat intersection bird? It's in the middle too. The answer would be 2 because it's in the middle.
These two here, guys, all three. That's the intersection. All right, so it says, Nika, write if the statement is true or false. Set dogs intersect birds equal 2 to 2. Is it true or false?
True, sir, because you have the one in the middle and the one in burgundy.
That's all like Kalyan. It's supposed to be Nika. Or is Nika that?
Nika.
Oh. So guys, do we agree that this is true?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see. So it says, write the statement true or false. Set dogs intersect birds. So it's dog and bird. See it here? So it's these two right here, guys. Not the all three, you know. Yeah, that would be true. All right. So Milano, you're for 7.
So number 7, there is one person in the class that does not like dogs, nor cats, nor birds. I will say that's false because, as you can see, like there's no number in the box to represent that there's one person that doesn't like none of them. So I say that's false.
Yeah. There's no one outside, right? Even though they gave us for 40 students. We never calculate that. We not add it up or anything.
So it's actually right. If you add all the numbers in the Venn diagram, it will give you 40. So
Yeah, that's what we'd have to check. If it comes 39, then we could have said that it is false. So there's one person in the class that does not like dogs, nor cats, nor birds. That is false. I agree that it's false. Unless they do a trick question where they didn't put it outside, but it's supposed to be represented, right?
So even if it's not outside, I add the numbers and it doesn't get the amount of numbers that was supposed to be there. It could have been true, but it isn't.
Yeah. All right. So for the 8, Kira and then Lakoy. He said only one person like birds only. True or false?
True.
That you say, Kira?
Hello, Kira.
Yeah, no, daddy. Okay, she fell off, guys. Let me just see. Alright, it's okay though, it's okay. So we're saying that only one person like bird. Only one person like birds only. So for birds only, we know that it would have been.
That is true.
Yeah. So it's right here. Guys, we have about 5 minutes. Let me just ask some additional questions that are not.
So we have 12 minutes there.
So let me just it's gonna be based on the Venn diagrams now. How many persons in totals like cats? Work out that for me.
Wait, that's sir.
So 28, sir.
28.
28. Alright, so 10 and 10.
28.
28.
And that is alright, cool. Right. Alright. How many persons like birds in total?
Sir,
15.
15.
15.
Everybody see how they got it? The 10 plus 2
15, sir.
plus 2. Yeah.
It's 15.
All of the that color thing there, right? Yeah, so that would have been 50. You know me, I'm gonna say no. How many like dogs?
19.
19.
19.
9 and 6, 50.
Yes, sir, 19. That's
Yeah,
right.
19.
19.
Good
So
job,
it
good
not
job.
even makes sense the actual act.
It makes sense, man, because persons will get a better understanding of it. How many we get for this? 28? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's see which other question we can ask. How many persons like dogs and cats?
10.
6.
No. 6,
No,
6, 6,
6.
6.
6, sir.
Right here.
6.
See there? You can look at the circle, you know, guys.
Sure,
All right.
I was thinking about the cats and birds.
Okay. How many like cats and birds?
10.
10.
10. Right here. Very good. How many like we answered this already? Birds and dogs.
2.
2.
Which is
Oh,
this right here.
Sir,
Alright.
for cats and birds, how many people like cats and birds, sir?
So you should say how many like
There's two
all
as
of them.
well.
But we look on cats
Sir, I
and
got
birds already,
12.
which is 10.
Oh, 2.
Sir, but I
Oh,
got
2.
Eh? What I got for that one?
12.
For cats, you add the 2.
Yes, sir.
But tell you what, you see these 2, these
That
represent
equals
all
2.
3, you know. So then like cat, birds, and dog. We were asking about the bird, cat, and dog. So they're like all 3. The ones that we're asking is just only birds and cat, only dogs and cat, only birds and cat. And of course, for all 3, it would have been 2. Alright guys, so tomorrow again, we will I know some persons might not be here, but tomorrow again, we shall do this thing, alright?
Bye-bye.
Alright,
Bye,
take care.
sir.
Get some rest now, guys. Alright,
Bye,
as soon
sir.
as,
bye,
soon as I
sir.
upload the video, I will send it to you guys.
Sir, go, sir. Sir,
Bye,
you go
sir.
practice over the card, them, sir.
Eh?
Can you go
Bye,
practice over
sir.
the card, them?
Yeah man, that's what I'm gonna do right now, after my rest.
Yes, sir. For more in their classes.
Definitely, definitely. So take care guys and see you tomorrow, alright?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, alright.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take care guys.